Lisa, and you are here on my channel, and today we're gonna do some unboxing of Huawei Nova 3i. Although it's already been unboxed because I already opened it, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. So what's included in the box? And we have the charger, and then the headset, and then a housing with a holder, with a phone holder, so that it doesn't fall easily, and a tripod. Yay! So, and also it has a power bank, and it also includes a Huawei warranty card, and a quick start guide, and it also has a SIM card tray opener. So there you have it, guys. So, and right now I am filming this video with the use of a Huawei. So, and I'm also gonna show you the features of Huawei. And it also has it's a Nova 3i. Wait, maybe I should not do that. Okay, it's currently on a IME LX2R. Yeah, and there. You can also do a data transport. Simple mode. So I'm gonna simple like that. Let's do that. I didn't know there was a simple mode. Okay. Then, okay, that's me. Then camera. Hi guys. Yeah. See that. Then music. I haven't uploaded any music yet, so yeah. Okay, download. So these are all the apps that I have. So I think I want the previous one. Settings, okay, more settings, let's go to the system. Simple mode. Okay, now I'm back to my, okay, I want the, okay, so I don't want the simple mode because they've got a lot of apps that I downloaded one. So this phone can actually download a lot of apps. It has a big memory, which you don't need a memory card because you already have a big memory. This storage is actually 128 gigabytes. Wow. So yeah, you can store a lot of movies, which I did. Movies and photos. You put up photos in it. You don't need to put memory card. So as you can see with my previous phone, I have limited storage with my apps. So now I've got a lot of apps downloaded. Ta-da! For my editing. So what I have here is for my health, because I am health conscious. I